Hello guys, for today's video guys, ito po gumawa po ako ng homemade potato cheese ball. Tignan nyo po kung paano ko po ginawa. Ang lutong din po guys ng pagkagawa natin.
La vida es un carrusel.
That's not what I meant. I just want to make it up to you the best I can. I just want my dad to live happily without being disturbed by anyone.
Kailangan siya balik-balik pa rin. Ayan, paikot-ikot lang. Masarap to. Aray, parang bet ko na. Hindi na. Ano ba yung lasa nito? Dry. Ayan, ginawa ko na ang aming dessert. Ito nga pala. Ayan siya. Ayan, meron pa dito. Ito nga pala yung palaman niya at ginawa ko.
Dad's suffer can't be erased with money. Don't think money can buy you. I have a question for you. Are you your dad's biological daughter? I need to ask you something. Are you your dad's biological daughter? What do you mean? Your dad's intelligence. You're smart and have great grades. Could it mean you're not his daughter? My dad is not as smart as everyone else, but he's the best dad. Kind, genuine.
Asa naman tong imong niluto? Wala pa? Daya po doon.
Butik.
Ilagay ko muna itong isa.
Bantayanan kay siya.
Hindi ko na kaya guys.
Dadoon na to sa pikas di. Or pang snack ba? Hindi mo punta ka snack ko record niya. Dito tagutumon ta.
Busog pa. Busog naman ganda.
O gani. Dadoon na to sa pikas ba?
Sabi na, kung nagpapalit ka ni nanay ganyan, ano, kaya ang mga tissue, wala na po.
Pang snack.
What's wrong?
Check the paternity test for Lady Kwan and Lady Dong. Check Ron Sale and Lady Kwan too.
You think they might be the ones who swap children with you?
I have a feeling. She's my daughter.
If she is, what do you plan to do about it?
Day, gamitin mo pa to, Day.
Hindi na. Unsa? Gamitin. Diri.
I'll make it up to Seo.
Kaya para takpan ko. Ito nag-missing.
I can't worry about that now.
Nakita ni
She's my
nanay mo
daughter
ba?
too much.
Sobrang madumi tingnan.
Busog ba, oy?
Nabilit na sa gilid ko.
What am I doing? Master. Mom, I'm back.
Don't call me mom. I don't want to sound like you. You hurt someone, put them in the hospital. Do you know who that is? Go apologize.
I'm not going.
Longzao, keep this up and don't call me mom.
Fine, I won't. Mom, Haven't you already forgotten about me? Haven't you already forgotten about me? Young master, Madam was just angry. She never approached you. Just now, she even went to school to talk about deleting the video, worried it would affect your studies. Madam still cares about you. Mom, I didn't know you were doing it for my own good. Sorry.
Ugma na po ng uban, no? Para na ako'y
Go
isa po ugma.
apologize at the hospital.
Huwag na akadre mo.
Ay, oo din. Wala man din. Ay, lutuon na lang kukuan. Tapos sa itong kaunon. Ano sa ba?
Now, I'm going to the restroom. Stay here. I'll be right back.
Or inig-abot na to diri unya. Oo,
Hindi
unya.
ka pa nga nagkakamunan na almusal na naman bukas na nililip.
Iniisip na naman yung ano.
Hurry up. Apologize.
I'm sorry. Son, Dad's okay. I'm telling you again, I'm not your son. You got the wrong person. You have a birthmark. You're my son.
Why are you here again? Get out of here. Out.
Don't go, don't go. Don't leave.
She's got quite a temper. Let's go.
Yeah. Uncle, son, uncle.
He bullies you. He's not my brother, and he's not fit to be your son.
Wow.
Meow meow. Your jade pendant is so pretty.
Oh, this? I got it by chance. But let me tell you, it's worth a fortune. Hit by a villain. That expensive? I'm so jealous of you.
Classmates. Let me introduce a new classmate. He just registered today because his father was sick a few days ago. This is Lei Dong Dong, the top student in our city. Welcome, welcome. Hi, I'm Lei Dong Dong. From today, we're classmates. Let's help each other and progress together. Teacher, where should I sit? Sit over there.
Stop pretending. Hey, meow meow. That girl is kind of pretty because she's sitting next to Mom Xiao. You better be careful. Really?
Potato. Char. Potato with curry cheese inside. Ayan siya. Tikman na natin to, guys.